Hi Lip Bunnies! Happy skincare of the week! I wanted to still do skincare of the week because we actually have a really important skincare product to talk about, and this skincare of the week is sponsored by the beautiful brand Trilipidderm. You guys have heard me talk about them before. I really love their night cream and their cleanser. It's a very gentle, creamy cleanser, and it doesn't feel like it's stripping your skin. I also have shown you Trilipidderm's all over body serum, which I was loving in the summer months. I love it all year round, but I especially love it in the summer months for that really glowy, glistening skin. They were kind enough to send me their newest product. It has not even launched yet. Right now it is for pre-sale, and they send it to me in this cute little baggie here. This is just a sample, like, prototype. The product will come in a bottle with a pump, so I'll put that right here for you so you can get an idea of what that's gonna look like. So this product is called 𝒃. It is their triple vitamin C brightening serum. This brand is from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and they're all about nurturing the skin in a natural way. They're all about hydration, being gentle with the skin, storing the lipid barrier. They really wanted to make a great skincare line for nourishing skin that faces harsh climates, harsh mountain sun, and low humidity. Now that is not at all like the climate I live in, and the products still work beautifully for me. Again, thank you Trilipidderm for sending me this sample product. The first thing I noticed, the smell is really nice. Most vitamin C products do not have a great smell, and you know that if you're a skincare junkie, if you work with skincare, or just if you're very sensitive to smell. When you open a vitamin C product, the smell can be very strong, very pungent. This one is such a nice surprise. It honestly smells a little bit like body wash. The brand describes it as grapefruit and sunshine, and I totally agree. I think that's a wonderful way to describe it. It really is one of those products that you keep wanting to smell. It's not perfumey, it's not over the top, it just smells very fresh. I would say grapefruit is a great way to describe it, very citrusy. So we already know that vitamin C does a million great things for the skin. It is anti-aging, it helps with hyperpigmentation, can reduce the environmental damage, including UV rays and the harshness of the rays from the sun on our skin. So while it is a great product to use at night to repair your skin, it's also a great product to use during the day. I always recommend using sunscreen with it, but it works really well during the day, and in fact I think it can actually boost the effects of your sunscreen. So that's what we know about vitamin C, right? But this product is a little different. It adds a little bit more oomph. This product also has hyaluronic acid. It's got a lot of hyaluronic acid to really hydrate, helps to soften the skin, soften fine lines, and I absolutely agree with that. I have tried this already for a few days in a row, and that's one of the first things I noticed. The texture is very silky, very soft. So if you don't like that matte texture that you get with most vitamin C serums, I think that you would really like this. It leaves the skin just very soft. It's beautiful for under makeup because it really primes your skin. Or if your skin gets drier during the winter, I know that a lot of people sometimes when they have drier skin steer clear of vitamin C. This is a great option if you have drier or more sensitive skin. My skin did not react, it did not get like any tingling effect, so it's really nice and gentle. Now let's talk about the ingredient that I am most excited about in this serum. It's the ingredient that I think really sets it apart from any other vitamin C serums, and that's kind of what you're looking for, right? That's probably why you're watching, because you want to find that product that has that extra special ingredient that makes you want to buy it. And that ingredient is gold. This product has real mineral gold in it, which works to encapsulate the vitamin C, but also stabilize it. If you guys are skincare junkies and you know your skincare, you probably already know why that's important. But if not, no worries. That's why I'm here. What does that mean? It needs to be stabilized. So vitamin C needs to be stabilized because when it is not, it's not going to work on your skin to do everything that it claims. The mineral gold in this product helps your skin to absorb the product more completely so that it's able to penetrate into the skin and do everything that it promises. Things like light, sunlight, exposure to air, oxygen, that can affect the potency of the vitamin C. So it's not going to be efficient. It's not going to do everything that it promises to do if it is not stable. The mineral gold helps to ensure that the vitamin C is bioactive for up to 36 hours after application so that it does exactly what it has promised to do. All of this that we've been talking about, protecting from UV rays, helping build collagen, anti-aging, helping with hyperpigmentation. You want to find a product that is going to be stabilized and that's going to work. There's so many products that I've spent money on, that we all spend money on, that are not stabilized. And unfortunately, when it goes into our skin, that's most of the time why we're not seeing results with vitamin C, because it's just not a stable form of vitamin C, or the product is not packaged in a way that keeps it stable, or does not have ingredients that keep it stable. So enough of that. So while we're putting this on, I should mention that if you try it, a little goes a long way. It's got such a silky texture. It's quite liquidy, so that just a little bit, like that little dot that I put all over my face, will work just fine. I should also mention that gold is a collagen producing peptide that fights wrinkles. So part of skincare of the week is showing you the ritual, right? I'm going to show you guys what I would use with this vitamin C serum. I do use vitamin C quite frequently in my skincare, so I wouldn't add any other acids into this. For me, my skin is especially sensitive around the fall winter time. I'm already getting like a little bit of eczema around my eyes, so I don't want to add any other acids. We've got the hyaluronic acid, which takes care of the moisturizing, the hydration. We've got the vitamin C, which corrects so many other things. It's in there for the anti-aging, hyperpigmentation. So I'm just going to nourish the skin. I'm going to go in with the Pharmagel Intensive Vitamin Moisturizer. This is great for normal to dry skin. This is so creamy. I love this moisturizer. This is the moisturizer, if you saw my dermaplaning video, this is the moisturizer that I like to use after I dermaplane. Very rich. Then I'm going to follow with the Ordinary Rose Hip Oil, because I'm going to go in with my Solar Wave. You guys have seen this before. If you haven't, it's just rose hip oil. Magic for the face. I will say I am getting a bit of an after scent with the vitamin C serum. It smells so good out of the container, but I feel like I'm getting a stronger vitamin C scent. So that's interesting. In the jar, it literally smells like Sunny D. So my face is looking super greasy because I'm about to do the Solar Wave, and it really needs to be really slippery for it to work nicely. But that's pretty much it, guys. They are pre-selling this on trylipiderm.com. They only have 250 that are going to be in stock. I guess they're going to try it out first. To sum it up, the great things about this product is it's got grapefruit and lemon essential oils, so it smells divine. It's got that hyaluronic acid in it. It also contains the mineral gold, which is a collagen producing peptide that fights wrinkles. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's skincare of the week. Let me know if you have any questions. This product is still fairly new to me, but I will be happy to answer any questions or get you in contact with someone at Trilipidderm who would be happy to help. And thank you guys so much. Comments and likes. I love you guys. Have a great evening and stay safe. Bye. Mwah.